Hello, in this tutorial I want to teach you how we can create a new folder without a name in Windows operating system. As you know, we have to choose a name for every folder in Windows. So if you like to create a Windows that has no name, you can use this trick. For example, we have a new folder on desktop. Its normal name is new folder. If I delete this name, you can see it will come back. So I will rename it and delete its name. If you want to create a blank name for it, you can right click on the text field. In the options, use insert Unicode control character option, and in the list items you can choose one of these to change the Unicode of the new folder. For example, I will choose this one, and as you can see there is no name for this folder. Thanks for watching this video.